Good morning, students. Today's topic is biotechnology and its application. We are already aware about this word biotechnology. That means that by manipulating the genetic makeup of a plant or an organism just to get the desired product, that is the biotechnology. By the help of biotechnology, we can get the desired product and we can change the quality, quantity of the product, and we made such crops which are more tolerant to the abiotic stress like heat, drought, cold, high temperature. So all these are the abiotic stress, and when we manipulating the genes and get the plant or the genetically modified plant, that plant is in that condition which can tolerate all these abiotic stress. So these are the applications by which we can get the desired product or the plant, different types of plant with the desired characters or the features. Now, by the help of this genetically modified structure of plant or any other organism, we use less amount of pesticides, and due to the manipulation of genes, we can enhance the nutritional value of the food also. For example, vitamin A enriched rice we have produced. We can reduce the post-harvest losses also, because as we have already changed the genetic makeup and have more and more tolerance power. Now the last thing is that minimum use of fertilizers, that as they are we have changed their genetic makeup in such a way that they are able to absorb the minerals from the soil easily. So that's there is a minimum use of fertilizers, and they do not show any harm to the environment. So these are the benefits, and we can say that why, the question is here, why we are doing this technology or adopting this biotechnology, just to get the benefits of this. These are the benefits, and we get the desired product, and without or minimum loss, we have we increase the quality, quantity of the product or the plant product or the animal product also. So this is the different things or the features we have by using biotechnology. But this biotechnology is also very useful in to eradicate the pest or to remove the disease from the plant or from the animals. So in next video we are going to discuss about BT cotton. Now application of biotechnology in plants just to eradicate the different diseases, increases productivity, quality, quantity. So first of all, the first application of biotechnology, that is BT cotton. Here the BT cotton, it is a very important biotechnology application by which we can eradicate the disease, that is which is caused by cotton bollworm, or it destroy the flowering of cotton plants. By introducing this method, that is BT cotton. Here BT stands for Bacillus thuringiensis. This is a Bacillus thuringiensis, that is a bacteria. What we have observed in this bacteria, that it produces a protein, and that protein is named as crystal proteins. These crystal proteins are regulated by the genes, and the genes are named as cry genes or the crystal genes, because it produces a protein which is crystal, and that is a crystal protein. Now this crystal protein, what we have observed, that this crystal protein, it is also named as insecticidal protein, because it kills specific insects. That's why these insects also kills what we have observed, the cotton bollworm also. So what we have done by the help of biotechnology, that how we can eradicate this certain worms like cotton bollworms, they destroy the flowers or buds of cotton. So the most it destroy large number of crop or it infested this crop, the cotton crop. So the major problem is this. So just to eradicate this problem, what we have done, that we have isolated the cryogens from the Bacillus thuringiensis by using the technology, biotechnology. That we have isolated this cryogens and then incorporated these cryogens into several crops like cotton also, because this cotton also suffer from the disease by the bollworm and destroy the flowers or the buds. Now that when these cryogens incorporated into the cotton plant, the cryogens produces toxic protein, and this toxic protein kills the bollworm and protects the cotton plant. Also in this way, that by the help of biotechnology, we changes the genetic makeup of cotton plant by incorporating the cryogens, and these cryogens from where we have obtained, from the Bacillus thuringiensis, and where we have incorporated in the cotton plant. That's why it is named as BT cotton. That plants are known as a BT cotton plant. And this way, by the help of manipulating the genes by using biotechnology method, we eradicate the disease caused by cotton bollworm, and we increase the quantity or the productivity or the yield also. Now the question arises here that Bacillus thuringiensis, which produces a protein, that is a toxic protein. This toxic protein do not harm the bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis. Why? Bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis produces toxic protein, but this toxic protein do not kill the bacteria itself, but it kills the insects. Why? The answer of this question is this: as the bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis produces protein, that is a crystal protein. This crystal protein, when it produces, it's in its body, that time that protein or the crystal protein is in inactive form, and this inactive form of a protein is called as a protoxin. That is, it is inactive. But question again arises, then how do this the protoxin, which is inactive, kills the bacteria, kills the insect, sorry. Here that this inactive protein become active when it reaches to the gut of the bollworm, that is the insect, and in the gut the medium is alkaline. When the toxin gets the alkaline medium, it become active, means protoxin become active, which is in initial stage in the Bacillus thuringiensis, it is present in inactive form. When it reaches to the gut of the insect, it become active because the medium of the gut is alkaline, and due to the alkaline medium, the protoxin converted into active form and creates pores in the gut wall, causes cell swelling and leads to the death of the insects. So this is the reason why do this protein or the protoxin, or the crystal protein do not harm the bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis. So this is the reason how do it kills the insects, and why do it do not kill or damage the Bacillus thuringiensis or kills the Bacillus thuringiensis itself. Now the toxins which are produced by Bacillus thuringiensis, that is a type of protein. That protein is called as a crystal protein, and this crystal protein, it is controlled by certain genes, and these genes are named as cry genes. In short form, as they produce crystal protein, that's why they are named as cry genes. As we know that Bt toxins, the toxins which are produced by Bacillus thuringiensis, they are insect group specific. Means these toxins produced by the bacteria, it kills a specific group of insects only. So they are named according to them, according to the insects which they are, they kill the insects. The proteins which are, the toxins which are produced by the genes, first is that cry1AC, that is crystal. Here cry stand for crystal, and the genes which are controlled this protein and the named as cry1AC genes and cry2AB. These control the cotton bollworms. Means they have the plant, these cotton plant, they have such type of genes which kills the cotton bollworm only. Clear? That's why we are saying that they are insect group specific. While cry1AB, it controls corn borer. So in this way we can name them because they kills the insect group, the specific insect group. That's why they are named according to that.